Today, a local Marine veteran and single dad got his hands on the keys to a new car as a thank you for his service to our country.
Like it's all covered out with a big bow. Caliber Collision partnered with HERTZ to be a part of this National Auto Body Council's Recycles Rides, which is run nationwide to repair and donate cars to people in need of reliable transportation. Well, U.S. Marine vet Paul Linscott was nominated for the donation by the Veteran Outreach Program, the Fort Myers Vet Center, and he says he was overwhelmed when he got the keys to this 2014 Hyundai Elantra.
We've had issues where we've broke down a couple times and really didn't know, whether or not we were going to be able to fix the car or whether or not it was going to be able to get fixed. And just having those problems and having those worries are all gone now. Even though I'm teared up, it's happy tears.
It's touching. Pretty awesome. Linscott served 4 years in the Marine Corps, earning several awards and medals. And he says he'll use this gift as a safe way to get his son to camp this summer and, of course, school in the fall.